Testosterone isn't just the male hormone, and most of what the internet says about it is wrong. For men, it's blamed for heart disease, aggression, and infertility. For women, it's ignored completely or treated like something dangerous. Today, I'm breaking down the biggest myth about testosterone for both men and women and what actually matters for your health. If you care about your energy, mood, muscle mass, libido, or long-term health, stay with me. I'm Jay Patel, a certified PA. I treat hormone dysfunction in both men and women. And the misinformation around the testosterone is one of the biggest problems I see on the internet. So let's clear it up. Myth number 1. Testosterone is only important for men. This is false. Yes, men has more testosterone, but women needs testosterone too. In women, testosterone plays a key role in energy, libido, muscle tone, bone density, and cognitive function. Low testosterone in women can look like fatigue, low desire, brain fog, and poor recovery. Testosterone isn't a gendered hormone, it's a human hormone. Myth number 2. High testosterone makes men aggressive and dangerous. This myth refuses to die on internet. Healthy testosterone levels do not cause aggression. In fact, low testosterone is often associated with irritability, depression, low motivation, poor stress tolerance. So what causes aggression is unstable levels, abuse, poor mental health. Balanced testosterone improves emotional regulation, not the opposite. Myth number 3. Testosterone therapy causes heart problem. This is one of the most misunderstood topic in medicine. Low testosterone is associated with higher cardiovascular risk, insulin resistance, increased fat mass. Modern testosterone therapy aims to restore normal physiologic level, not push people into extremes. When properly prescribed and monetized, testosterone therapy has not been shown to increase cardiovascular risk in healthy, appropriate patients. Context matters, dose matters, monitoring matters. Myth number 4. Testosterone therapy is basically steroid. No. Steroid involves supraphysiologic dosing, pushing hormone levels far beyond normal. Testosterone therapy aims to bring level back to optimal range. That difference changes everything. Risk, side effects, long-term outcome. If someone can explain that distinct, they shouldn't be given hormone advice. Myth number 5. Women should avoid testosterone at all costs. This one harms women the most. Women are often told testosterone is too risky while being prescribed medicine that wreck their metabolism, libido, and bone density. At appropriate doses, testosterone therapy in women can improve sexual health, support lean muscle mass, enhance mood and confidence, mental focus, improves mental clarity, improves overall vitality. The key is proper dosing and supervision, not fear. Avoiding testosterone entirely isn't safer. It's often the reason symptoms persist. Testosterone isn't a villain. It's also not a magic fix. It's a powerful hormone that affects both men and women. And when it's ignored, misunderstood, or abused, people suffer. If you're going to talk about testosterone, talk about it accurately. Your hormone deserves better than internet myths. Comment below if there was something here you did not know. And if you want real evidence-based hormone education for men and women, subscribe. I'll keep breaking this down. I'll see you in the next video.